Hello, my name is Brad Oland. I'm a solution consultant here with Bill.com. Today, we are going to take a look at the accounting systems that we sync with as far as native integrations, meaning that we can set up an automatic connection, as well as other options, and then how those syncs are performed and when they take place. So, this is a list of the accounting systems we currently sync with, such as QuickBooks Desktop, QuickBooks Online, Xero, Sage Intacct, Oracle NetSuite, Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. If you are leveraging an accounting system not in that list, we also offer our import export method, which many of our customers find success in using. Taking a look at what we call our sync matrix, this is going to reflect all the information and how it's going to flow between your accounting system and Bill.com. In this example, we're taking a look at QuickBooks Online. A couple things to note is that in implementation, we're going to pull over your chart of accounts from QuickBooks Online, as well as your locations, your classes, and then a one-way sync over to Bill.com will be projects and jobs, as well as a bank account balance. Specific to the payable side, I just want to call out that we will also have a two-way sync for vendors. That means that when data is entered in either platform or side, so the Bill.com platform or over on the QuickBooks side, data is going to flow bidirectionally between the two. We're going to pull over vendors, partially or fully paid bills, etc. There is a sync matrix available in our help portal, Help Center, for each of these different types of accounting systems. Now, moving over to the platform itself, there are a couple ways that we can sync with your different accounting software. It's going to depend on what kind of software you use, but with QuickBooks Online and many of our other integrations, it's going to sync automatically once daily at a defined interval that you can set in settings. And then you can also select our sync button in the upper right-hand corner, and then that will run the sync on demand as well. One thing to keep in mind, if I go into a draft bill here, we can take a look at how that information is going to populate. So how that information is going to populate is when we go into a invoice, we are going to have the different values. So when I click edit here, for instance, we will see we have our chart of accounts, department, etc. Depending on what's relevant to you, what you're tracking as far as user-defined fields, and what accounting software you're using. That is how the sync process is going to work. And so that concludes my presentation. Thank you.